Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to keep apps open in the recent app from your task manager on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can lock important apps in the recent screen so they aren't closed accidentally when you tap close all. So here, if you go ahead and open up your task manager, and let's just say you want a particular app open and you don't want it closed. So as an example, I'll go ahead and choose TikTok. So to keep this open, I'll go ahead and tap on the TikTok icon and then I'll choose keep open. Now here, this will place a padlock on that TikTok screen. Now I'll go ahead and choose another app which I want to keep open. So let's just say, for example, this calendar app. I'll go ahead and tap on the calendar app and then tap on keep open. Now say, for example, I'll just go ahead and close all. So once I do this, all the apps will be closed apart from those two apps which I have locked. So that is TikTok and the calendar app. So the benefit of this, you keep ongoing chats, forms, or maybe any other applications. So there's a convenience as well. So you quickly return to important tasks or apps without restarting that app. So if you may be surfing on TikTok, you can go ahead and return back to the TikTok and go ahead and start surfing it. Press home. The lock is still there. You can go ahead and open other apps. And you can go ahead and close all the apps, but TikTok and the calendar will still be open. So there you go, guys. That is how to keep apps open in your recent apps on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.